You're here because you have one of these Heltec version 2, perhaps LoRa GTGO version 1, version 2.1, or any other outdated device capable of running Meshtastic firmware. You will not be able to upload your own bin and use it. So I found an alternative way, one way that is easier. You don't have to use the Python tool. You don't have to do anything more complicated. So the only thing that you need to do is download your firmware. You can use my GitHub. I place there some of the firmware files I have. You can contribute in GitHub with me by uploading more versions, more files, and make a global repository if you want. But you can use these files. Just choose your Meshtastic device, download it, go to this website. This is an ESP Web Tools. Select. You will see that once you select your hardware from the tool, you will notice that you have a few other partitions, if you want to call it that way, a few other addresses. What I did is just to delete everything and then create a new one, put your firmware there, and press flash. Allow it to work, wait until it's done. So if you really want to have your firmware working perfectly, use an older version. Or if you're using a new version, just make sure it works well. And then once you figure out it's working perfect, upload it to a GitHub and contribute to this GitHub that I am building. This is Meshtastic Vintage GitHub. So we can gather some firmware that we can use in other Meshtastic hardware. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Very quick. And I appreciate the support. Thank you for the subscription. Thank you for getting to the end of this video. Goodbye.